हाय गाइस, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। कुछ सालों पहले जब मैं पीजी में रहती थी तब माय फ्रेंड्स यूज्ड टू टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट अ सीरीज एंड उसका नाम था फ्रेंड्स। व्हेन आई आस्क्ड वन ऑफ देम शी सेड अरे तुझे ज़रूर देखना चाहिए एंड शी सेड इसके 10 सीजन्स हैं और मेरे होश वहीं उड़ गए। फिर आया लॉकडाउन। मैंने सोचा चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड देन आई वॉज क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड विद द शो बिकॉज इट वॉज क्वाइट अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम in many ways and especially in fashion. The characters were styled in such a way that even after 3 decades the styles are so relevant कि आज भी हम उनसे inspirations ले सकते हैं. Today we are going to talk about Monica Geller's outfits, but before that let's see what Monica's character was like. She was this kind, caring mama friend of the group who was obsessed with her cleanliness and organizational skills.
Keep talking.
And let me tell you, losing is not in her dictionary.
That's not even a word!
So, now let's come to her fashion game. Okay, disclaimer, इसके 10 seasons थे, so obviously we cannot go through all of her looks. So, I have picked some of her staples. In an interview, Deborah Maguire, the costume designer of Friends, said she came up with the color palette of the characters first. And for Monica, it was black, red, greys, burgundy and whites. I don't know anyone else who would rock red like Monica. I'll link the interview down below in case you want to watch. Check the description box. If we carefully see, Monica's wardrobe was full of basics, and when it comes to basics, the first key element has to be a good straight leg jeans or mom jeans. The jeans outfits that she wore are still relevant and fashionable even today. Be it the denim on denim combo, mom jeans and long sleeve top, straight leg jeans and white cami with a coat over it, her jeans and sweater outfits, all of them were iconic. But the most memorable one has to be this vibrant red cami top mom jeans outfit paired with a sneaker and a sling bag. In fact, मैंने जब ये सीन देखा था मेरा भी रिएक्शन बिल्कुल जोई जैसा था. I mean, this look has two unbeatable Monica's element, a mom jeans and the red color. How can something go wrong? You tell me. Recently, waistcoats have been quite popular, but look at Monica. She is giving boss lady vibe in this outfit and she showed us the right way to style a waistcoat in the 90s already. As I said before, Monica's wardrobe was full of classics, and how can we miss a white shirt when it comes to classics? In initial seasons, we see Monica wearing a lot of white shirts, whether they are tied in the front for a playful vibe, tucked into her jeans and paired with loafers, or layered under a dress. All of them were fail-proof looks and nothing can go wrong there. When it comes to dresses, Monica Geller had hit the jackpot.
I know!
From slip dresses to button down, she was sorted. Let's have a look on them one by one. Her red dress from Ross's wedding, oh my god, she absolutely looked like a piece of cake. The pink bodycon dress from the proposal where she looks absolutely sexy, her black t-shirt dress from the one with the list, the metallic dress for the New Year's party, and if this dress does not scream party, I don't know what does. One of my favorite has to be this vintage floral button-down dress. This looks so cool, casual and yet feminine at the same time. We see Monica wearing one such dress again where she introduces her boyfriend Ellen to the gang. I mean, I would totally wear this dress today. बस मुझे कोई खरीद के दे दो. Sweaters were undoubtedly the most inevitable part of Monica's wardrobe. If you ask me to remember her 3 sweater looks, funny enough, all of them are in red. The one in the poker match where the girls are about to learn poker, Monica wears a cropped red jumper that we find in the H&M stores even today. The one with embryos, which is hands down my favorite episode, where Monica is wearing a cozy cable knit red sweater which looks cute and casual for a fierce competition. The one with the butt where she is wearing a red turtleneck with her straight leg jeans. Again, what could go wrong? Another one that I absolutely loved is this outfit from the episode where Nana dies twice, where she is wearing a cropped cardigan over a subtle cami. She wears the skirt and cardigan of same color and the cardigan was left open. When it comes to skirts, her proposal outfit is so underrated. She looks so cute in this red skirt paired with a black sleeveless top. 2 more skirts outfits that I remember very clearly are the black floral skirt with a black sweater vest and the floral circle skirt that she wears with a cropped sweater. We can surely tell when it comes to styling skirts, Monica is the best. That's it for this video. Tell me which one of these were your favorites and obviously इसके 10 seasons थे तो सब कुछ याद करना और mention करना तो मुश्किल था. I tried incorporating outfits that I instantly remember when I think of Monica. Of course, आप अपना भी फेवरेट आउटफिट्स मुझे बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में, हम वहीं बात करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप you had a good time here. Bye bye.